Email marketing is not dead, it is simply evolving. And today I'm going to show you how we're going to use AI in email marketing to evolve our processes and make our emails so much more effective, faster, and smarter. So today we're going to be breaking down 5 different steps, starting with strategy, audience segmentation, content creation, personalization, and automation and optimization. So by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to transform your email marketing strategy with AI. Let's get into it. Okay, so before you write any email, you need to define your strategy. What is your goal and what is your message of each email? And like we said in the last crash course, you want to make sure that every email has one purpose. So, like I said, we want to define our message. What do we want to say to our audience? Now, with this, you want to have 2 different parts. What is your goal? And then what is the messaging and the tone that you are delivering that goal with? Now, a great way that AI can help within this stage is that AI can be somewhat of a brainstorm buddy for you. So you can go to tools like ChatGPT or Jasper and make sure that you are really talking with someone else before you start into just sending emails. AI can help you with brainstorming different strategies, brainstorming what tone would be appropriate for that specific email, and then from there you can get started on the next stage, which is all about content. Next, we're going to move on to segmentation, and this is where AI truly shines. So instead of sending the same message to every single person in your email marketing list, you can use tools like HubSpot, Klaviyo, or even Dapta to analyze your customer data and create smarter segments. So you can identify customer patterns and behavioral practices to see who is abandoning their cart, who is inactive, who is a power user, and you can really target these people through AI and your email marketing. So we have data, which then turns into patterns of recognition. Next, we're going to move on to smarter segments with AI specifically. This is where AI shines. And lastly, all of this is done for better results. Okay, so now we are moving on to the fun part, which is all about content creation. And so this is my personal favorite part because this is where your emails truly come to life and they shine. And so with AI in this process, you can generate anything from subject lines to grab people's attention, preview text, body copy, call to actions, and any other additional notes that you want to add into your emails. And so to recap, you can use AI to impact all of these different sections. So we have subject lines, which is the first thing that your audience sees, which is one of the most important parts about an email. Then we're moving on to preview text. Then we're going to move on to body copy and CTAs. Another really important thing in this step is A/B tests. And so these are really important because you always want to be testing your emails to see which strategies are most effective and are driving the most clicks and engagement with your target audience. And so AI can help you generate the content for better A/B tests. Now, hopefully, with all of these things combined that you can use AI for in your content creation, you can make faster and smarter emails that are speaking to your segmentation more specifically. Okay, now the next step that we're going to talk about is all about personalization and specifically personalization at scale. Now, AI transforms personalization to a whole nother level. We're not just talking about adding in your subject's name or business name or the date. We're not talking about that anymore. We're talking about actually recognizing these behavioral patterns and identifying them in the emails. So AI can analyze purchase history. AI can also analyze browsing patterns, engagement, as well as tone preferences, and so much more. The sky is literally the limit with AI possibilities. So this means that we're not just saying, "Hi Sarah, nice to see you again." We're saying, "Hi Sarah, we noticed that you abandoned this necklace in your cart and we think it would look beautiful on you. Come back into the website and purchase it or check it out again, or here's this discount code to buy the necklace." And so this is really how AI is transforming personalization in email marketing and how it can help you drive better results. Okay, so now the next step is automation, and this is where everything comes together. So we're not just sending emails based off a schedule, we're actually using these behavioral patterns to then send off personalized email that are customized to match the tone that your audience will be more receptive to based off of that behavior that we are automating for. And so with this, if someone clicks a link, AI can send a message. If they haven't opened in 30 days, you can send a reactivation message. The sky is literally limitless. So you are going to have an event, right? So if someone abandons the cart, this would be the event. Then you have a trigger. Then from the trigger, you have the automated email. And then lastly, you have a data feedback loop. Because AI really learns from data. And so you can use this AI data to train your AI agents. And so this is a never-ending cycle of email automation. Okay, so now I have a bonus step for you guys, which is all about optimization in AI analytics. So I'll write this over here. And so you basically get the optimization through AI analytics as the tool. And so this is super important because the AI will measure certain things like open rates, click-through rates, which are your main KPI objectives that you have through your email marketing campaigns. And so AI can actually analyze these things and gather all of these into the main thing, which is insights. And it just doesn't end there with the insights. AI will actually take these insights and turn them into knowledge, which will then impact the entire strategy of your email marketing campaigns. So we're not just going to email to send messages to our customers. We're actually using AI within email marketing to drive better results and turn people into power users and get the actual results that we want to see from our customers and drive better actions from our users.